This particular platform has been confirmed paying. However, before we proceed with this video, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever valuable content like this is being posted in this channel. Remember, this is a review and not a guaranteed result. So all you need to do is to click the link somewhere around this video, and you just come right to where you see the get ticket. So once you click on get ticket right here, you'll be allowed to pick 6 tickets. Now peradventure you get the exact tickets that are required, you'll be getting more of it and accumulating your earnings. So right here we are just going to be picking a random number, but it must be up to 6 right here. So once you're done with that, you come right here and click on add ticket. Okay, so once you do this, you can actually see that we are left with 9 tickets. Now on this platform, if you currently sign in, you are going to be given 10 tickets on your account. Now once you're given these 10 tickets, if you exhaust it, all you just need to do is to refer your friends, and you'll be given another ticket for you to come right here and click on get tickets. Okay, so right here you can just come right to where you can get tickets. Right here you can see that it must be a number of 6, so then you add tickets. Now if you're done with your tickets or you want to check your results, you can see right here results. Now when you come under results, you can see that this particular platform has been paying so many users right here. So you can see that these particular users are matching correctly with the available tickets right on this platform. So once you match correctly, you are going to be given your reward. Now when you come over to more right here, and you come over to this referral right here, you'll be seeing the number of referrals you have brought to this platform. Now when you come down to invite friends, this is where you copy your affiliate link. Then once you copy that, you can share with your friends. So with that, you are actually accumulating more chances of getting more tickets on your account. So right here you can see that these are the tickets I have selected. So you can go ahead to select your ticket. So peradventure you match with what they have, you are going to be rewarded for it. Now when you come over to home right here, and you come over to balance, you can see that once you are able to get your reward for this particular platform, you'll be rewarded through PayPal or USDT. So we are also having other payment options right here. That is, if you reach the minimum withdrawal, right here you can see you should have at least $50 to be able to withdraw. So what you just need to do is to accumulate more. Once you have around $50 on your account, you can go ahead to place your withdrawal. Free update, all you just have to do is to come right here and get tickets. So I'm going to be exhausting my tickets right here, but most times when you come right here, an ad will be displayed. All you just have to do is to close this ad, and you are going to be given access to continue what you're doing right on this platform. So we just need to hold on for this to actually get to the end, then we close this. So once we close this right here, we are just going over to continue with this particular process. So all you just need to do is to come right here and always select tickets, and if you are lucky enough, your ticket is announced, you'll be rewarded for it. So that is how you can actually use this particular platform. So when you come right here, you can see we have 7 tickets available. So just come right here, use the link, download the app, click on get ticket, then select any of the tickets you want to use. So you can see that right here. So automatically it's going to be added right to your balance. Okay, so once you come under this particular interface right here, let's go over to home, and you come over to results right here. You can see the results of so many people. So most times once you come over to your ticket right here, you can see the available ones I have selected. So once results are being mentioned and you are qualified for it, you are going to be rewarded. Like I said, if you want to place withdrawal, you can see right here your balance will be reading right here, and you'll be seeing the total amount you have. So that is how this platform works. You can start now to leverage. Now they are actually paying. Now one thing I wanted to know about this platform is that they actually recently launched, and they are looking for more audience to actually have traffic on their platform. So my advice for you is to leverage this platform as fast as you can, so you don't have anything to lose, because you are not actually putting in any funds. All you just have to do is to register, get 10 tickets for yourself. Then once you are done with the tickets you have gotten, the next thing you want to do is to keep on referring your friends. As you have seen that the minimum withdrawal right here is the $50, so you can go ahead to leverage this platform and to earn for yourself. So what you just need to do is to always randomly and frequently select this ticket right here. As you can see, mine is left with 6 tickets, so you can go ahead to get more of this ticket and randomly select this ticket to give chances for yourself. Peradventure you actually got to the minimum withdrawal, you can go ahead to withdraw to your paper or your USDT. And so thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from this video, and if you did, please do well to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can always notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. It is advisable you join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group, where I won't give you ways and also show you some specific ways you can use to boost your online presence in today's world. So see you on my next video and keep winning.